Hello, Chippewa community. This is Molly Hollahan, the principal of Chippewa Middle School, and I wanted to offer you a little summary of the first half of the 22-23 school year and share some upcoming events that will be occurring for the second half of the 22-23 school year. We are officially at the halfway point of our year, which is very exciting. We are currently wrapping up semester one. This year has gone so well. The students are absolutely amazing. They've done such a good job of adjusting to middle school as sixth graders, and as they progress into seventh and eighth grade, they're hardworking, they're fun, they're funny. We've had a really, really good year so far. Teachers are currently submitting first semester grades. We will let you know when report cards are ready, but we're working hard on getting those grades and getting communication out to you. Semester two starts on Monday, January 30th. Schedules are available online, and most students will have a little bit of a change to their schedule because of some semester classes, but we're looking forward to starting the second half of the year. And we're already planning for the 23-24 school year. Our fifth grade parent information night is coming up on Tuesday, February 7th. This is where we invite all incoming sixth grade families, current fifth grade families, to come to Chippewa and hear a little bit more about our academic programs and the different things that we offer, to get a tour. It is intended for parents. We're going to have other opportunities for students to come during the school day. But we look forward to welcoming our fifth grade parents. And then we're starting kind of the registration process for next year. So our 8th to ninth graders are going to be registering for their classes at Mounds View High School on January 31st. That's Tuesday. They're going to do it in their English language arts classrooms. You've already gotten lots of communication about that. And then just stay tuned for messages from your child's dean about registering for 7th grade classes for your 6th grader and 8th grade classes for your 7th graders. Students are again going to select a music or a non-music choice for the 23-24 school year. And during the second week of February, deans are going to visit classrooms to talk with students, just kind of offer some reminders about behaviors, what we like to see from students in our building. So not having phones out during class, in the halls during instruction time, only in the second half of lunch. We also are reminding students about AirPods. AirPods are not allowed. AirPods or wireless earbuds are not allowed in our building from 7:40 until 2:25. So we do not want AirPods in students' ears, regardless of it even being passing time or lunchtime. There's no academic reason to have wireless earbuds in their ears. It creates distraction and decreases our opportunity to connect with one another. So if you could help remind your child at home about that, that would be great. We're constantly working with our middle school students not to run in the hallways because we want them to be safe and we don't want them to collide with other students. And then the deans are going to share with students just a little bit about what we heard from them when we did our student focus groups. We grouped together over 100 students in very small groups and asked lots of questions about their experiences here at Chippewa. We heard wonderful things from students, and the suggestions they have are very middle school suggestions, which are more time with friends, making sure they want longer lunches or longer passing times. But they also shared with us too, when we asked them, what is it that teachers do to make a welcoming environment in their classroom? They gave us good specifics, like everything from welcoming students at the door to making sure that they know it's okay to make mistakes. And so they gave us lots of concrete feedback, and we were able to share that with our teachers on our professional development days that we had this week. We have some fun events coming up, and I want to give you a couple other updates. So the fun events, the Snowball is Friday, February 3rd. This is the social event of the middle school season. Ticket sales are going to end on Wednesday, so we really do need students to purchase their tickets in advance in the main office. You've probably gotten emails asking if you would like to volunteer. We would love, love, love lots of parent support. It's a huge event. Our parent community goes all out to make sure our building is decorated really well and the kids have a great time. So that is Friday the 3rd. It's from 6:30 until 9. Our HERD, which is our student leadership group, has been doing lots of fun things. They just finished celebrating bus drivers. They brought thank you notes and cups of hot cocoa to the bus drivers who were over the moon about it. They're going to be selling Valentine grams so students can send their friends a little sucker and a little sticker. We have our Food to Hogs program, which has just gotten up and running at all our lunches. So it's taking our organics and our extra leftover food and making sure that we can use that to feed livestock. It's something that's been happening at the elementary schools, and we now have it at our middle school. Moving forward, I believe we are going to have at least one reliable activity bus. This has been a real up and down battle for us, trying to make sure that we have an activity bus for students who stay after school. So I know families have been curious about that. So I'm pretty sure moving forward, we're going to have one reliable bus. We'd like to get to 3 so we can run all 3 activity routes. It makes for a really long ride for students with a single route, but we're just excited to try to be able to offer some transportation for students who stay after for different activities. And then, as you know, we have our recharge days because we're taking charge of our community, where we are asking students to connect, honor, accept, reflect, grow, and engage. February, our theme is grow, so we're going to work with students on goal setting and thinking about personal growth and having some fun activities around that. So whenever I make a video that I share with students, I always remind them of our bottom line here, and I share with them that each and every student belongs here, that they are seen here, that they will get an excellent education here, and that they're going to be cared for here at Chippewa. So I just want to thank you so much for partnering with us to help Chippewa be a place of academic and social emotional growth for our middle school students. Like I said, we've had a great year so far, and we're really looking forward to the second half of the 22-23 school year. Thanks so much. Take care.